This one small trick takes small orders to large orders without needing more customers. So there's three main things that I use that'll increase your order volume and order value. That's upsells, bundles, and premium options. So whenever you're selling something, like that sign in the previous video. In the previous video, I talked about this sign right here. And I said that instead of just selling this one sign, you could sell a bundle. So you could sell this right here for the front door, and then you could sell a table sign that has the same exact saying on it, and then you could probably sell something for the bathroom too that says something similar to this. And instead of just selling the door hanger, you could sell all three of those in a bundle. And the way that you do this is this: somebody orders the door hanger, and then you say, hey, actually I have the capability to put that same style on a table sign and a wall sign for you, and I could do that for half the price or whatever it may be. So that's the bundle strategy. Now, just an upsell, you could say like, hey, right now I'm running a special on buy two get one free. So then that would make them buy a second one and then get the third one free. And you could do like all the same design, or you could do all three different designs, and then you could say, hey, like that third one you could give to someone as a gift. And then there's the premium option. So premium option is like instead of paper, it's plastic. Instead of wood, it's metal. Instead of gold, it's diamond. You just like upgrade them to a premium option. So for example, when we do our address signs, the address signs that has it's like a rectangle, and then it has the number in the middle, and the background is stained or whatever, and it has a frame around it. Well, there's those cheap numbers that they're still metal, but they just drill right into the board and they just lay flat. But then they have those 3D letters that kind of stick off the board, and it gives a little shadow, so it sticks off the board about an inch. And those just look a lot better, and they're heavier too. So that would be an upgraded premium option. When you're bundling items, you don't want to just be bundling random goofy stuff together. You want it to increase the perceived value. So like I said, with that door hanger, you could have the table sign and the bathroom, make them all the same color scheme, and you can make them all say the same thing or make them say something similar. But like you want the perceived value to be increased. Like, oh, this whole total package, I would need, like that person's probably thinking, I needed something for the front door, but I could also use something for the living room and the bathroom and the kitchen too. Make sure that you're bundling your items every chance that you get. Now look, for each item, it doesn't only have to be the bundle. You can still sell the single item, but give the option to bundle too. You want to make sure that you're always upselling. Always upselling. Now look, I'm not talking about being a pushy salesman. A lot of people have this whole perception around sales wrong, man. Like everybody is always selling. Even if you're not in a sales job or a sales position, a husband to a wife, a mom to their kids, a dad to the kids, a dad to the wife, like you to your coworkers, you to your employer. Everyone is selling. So this is no different. You just want to sell, you want to upsell, you want to sell them something more. You want to make this easier for them in some way. But that's the thing too, you don't want to make it come off like you're just trying to take more and more money from them. Gear it towards them, like, hey, if you want, I could add this on for 40% off, or I don't know if you want to go that high all the time, but you can say like 25% off. And it's an upsell. You're going to still make some profit on it, but you gave a discount too, and you made it sound good to them, and it's probably going to help them. They got to put that somewhere in their house. They're probably looking for it anyways, or they can use it as a gift to give to somebody, because at any given time, any of your customers that you talk to, they know someone who's about to have a birthday. So just let that sink in, because they're looking to buy something for someone very, very soon. I'm launching a community and a place where we all can get together into a mastermind. We're going to talk, we're going to chat about laser cutting, laser engraving, and all other crafts too. If any of you guys want to join into that group too, because it's not simply just about the laser, it's about the craft business and you creating a product and selling it to a consumer. And I can help with that. So we're going to talk about fundraisers. We're going to do some There's gonna be some one-on-one coaching available. There's gonna be some live coaching available as a group, and there's gonna be some live Q&A available. I've been doing a lot of one-on-one coaching consulting, and I've been helping people in my course cohort. I launched the course briefly, but then I took it off, and then I actually just started giving the course directly to certain people who would ask for it, who qualified for it. And then I would get the feedback from them, from these people. And then I would edit the course and make sure that it's up to par. So I think this course is actually ready to relaunch. You know, this is the fundraiser course. It's gonna show you how to find the schools, find the preschools, daycares, private schools. It's how to find them, put together your catalog, your order forms, your detail info form, what you're gonna make, what you're gonna price it at, what holidays you're gonna sell during, the whole thing. So look out for that. Links in the description for the one-on-one coaching. Sign up for that. I'm gonna help you go from zero to hero now. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye.